super hard work, but Caesar came up with some really great ways to make it a lot better. It was super hard work, but Caesar came up with some really great ways to make it. It was super hard work, but it was super hard work, but Caesar came up with to eat.
Oh God. Do you watch? Do you like Xavier Riddle, Steve Overmyer? I have to watch one. I have one on Kids 13, but I have the weekday one on WNET channel 13 all morning. I like Xavier Riddle.
I'll tell you, Kai has a population of 94, not counting Moose and Caravan. That's right, Ziggy, not counting Doc. Hey everyone, so if you've been wondering...
Oh, I like Molly of Denali, Steve Overmyer. Keeping all morning long here on WNET channel 13, PBS Kids. Lovely girl Molly.
Big game in the African bush. But it's not their large prey that threatens them most. This is a land of very big cats, where small, brave dogs must sometimes run for their lives.
I love nature. I have one on WNET channel. All about the animals. And we show PBS. I love nature animals.
It's winter in Zimbabwe, and in a hillside cave, a mother is instead. Odds are against her succeeding, but with so many mouths to feed, she can't afford to fail. Meanwhile, her son Jet, easily recognized by his striped tail, is teaching himself to hunt.